The strong winds are also impacting the neighbor islands, from boats becoming loose, power outages, and strange-looking clouds. People are being asked to keep alert. Max Rodriguez continues our coverage.
The wind on Maui has been no joke.
I was trying to walk in the door to come into work, and the door wouldn't open, and I had to push really hard, and it's because the wind was blowing so hard off of the water onto the door, so I couldn't even get in.
Boats right off the Lahaina Yacht Club rocking side to side. The state's DLNR Division of Boating and Ocean Recreation says at least 2 boats in the area broke loose from moorings overnight. The department says it's possible there's more and asking owners to secure their boats.
It's definitely getting a lot more rougher, a lot more whitecappy. The water is really brown. So I don't think there would be much they would be able to do, even if they, were, aware and out there, because it's just so dangerous right now.
Video from Big Island showing a roof blown off, down trees and power lines. A power outage ending classes early at one charter school, along with 3 other public schools.
We went in the middle of recess and there are all these kids standing around, and the wind at that time just got fierce.
We're told the power has now been restored at the schools. Meanwhile, those looking up above Mauna Loa and Kilauea catching a phenomenon floating by, lenticular clouds.
When we have those really strong winds that blow over the terrain, over the summits of the Big Island, it creates these mountain waves, and then that can cause air to condense and form those unusual looking clouds that we saw this morning.
Several viewers sending photos and video of the rare-shaped clouds over the summit. The NWS says the strong winds having more of an impact this time around due to the direction it's hitting the islands.
It's a pretty unusual event in the sense that the winds are coming from a direction that we normally don't see strong winds, which can add to the impacts, increases the likelihood of downed trees.
Max Rodriguez, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.